So hello YouTube, good morning and welcome back to the channel. This is Nikhil Jain. As we plan to leave at 4 and time right now is 5:36. That's really late. So yeah, let's get going and let's see you guys on the road. So my friend Padma, he has reached our meetup point. He is like 10 minutes away from me right now at a fuel pump. He needed to refuel. So finally met Padma at the fuel pump. He got his refueling done. I did it last night only. Oh, look at that. There's like an ocean of fog over the forest around this highway. Oh my god, I don't know if the Gopro can capture that with the wide angle. Right turn from here for Sawantwadi Road. Okay. With last time's experience, we are not taking any chances for trying a different route. We are just gonna go with the regular one. Here starts Amboli. Woohoo! This one is probably one of the best ghats to ride around in India. I mean, the dense jungle that surrounds this ghat is just mind-blowing. Just look at this. Amboli Ghat. Here's the viewpoint. So we are over here at the Amboli Ghat viewpoint. Met a couple of bikers, had a quick tea, and now we are gonna get going again because the sun is shining and we need to cover around 350 more kilometers. So to avoid the fatigue and the heat, we're gonna try to do as much as possible and as fast as possible. Yeah, now that's the kind of state highway we are talking about. I wish all state highways were like this, plain, smooth and wide, but no. So I guess we are around 30 minutes out from touching the highway, where we take the left turn towards Pune on the Bangalore highway. Time is right now around 9:45, and yet the climate is really chill. I'm wearing all of the winter liners, yet not sweating even a bit. Now I finally see the highway. Wait, what? Fuck, this place is not open yet. And I think this is Bande. Sadly, both of the hotels are off, and I don't really feel like crossing the road. So I think यही रुकेंगे थोड़ी देर के लिए और फिर चलेंगे. So the plan was to stop for some tea and some breakfast, but sadly all the places are shut yet. They say they open at around 12 in the noon. So we are just stopping right now for some water and a small break. Just sitting here. These are the people from Mumbai. So yeah, just 10-15 minutes small break, and then we will get going. So this was it, a small break. अभी back on track. फटाफट खींचना है comfortable speed पे, not going beyond the comfort zone, but yeah, we do need to hustle up a bit. Let's go. So yeah, finally we are back on the highways. Now 100, 110 constant maintain करेंगे. At least we will try to keep that pace till Satara, because post Satara the sun's gonna get really hot by then. Removed all the winter liners, just jacket and the t-shirt now. The worst thing is यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं मिला, as both of the restaurants were closed. We are hungry, but I think we will try to pull up around 100-125 kilometers before we stop, because we took around 20-25 minutes over here for this break, and it wouldn't be a wise choice to stop right now. So yeah, we will try to cover up some distance and then stop again. GoPro's battery is really low. I don't know how long it's gonna last, so just gonna keep on chalking. If it goes off, it goes off. So we finally found a place for lunch, kind of a brunch you can say, because you guys know. So we did manage to cover 125 kilometers from where the highway started to this place, and 150 kilometers or so left for home. So we might try to cover that in one stretch, or else we'll just take one small tea break. So yeah, let's go. So just got done with the brunch. Yeah, brunch would be the perfect term. And we are crossing Satara. I think another 2 to 2.5 hours for home if we stop somewhere for tea, or else within 2 hours we will be home if there is minimal traffic. चलो भाई मिलते हैं. हाँ, मैं यहाँ से नीचे से जाऊँगा, ठीक है, आराम से जाओ. almost the end of another epic adventure. I can see my home from here. We have arrived. Not exactly arrived. 1 more kilometer left. Yes. And we have finally arrived. We are home. Another worst part now is gonna be untie all the luggage, get it up. Good girl, you have been. Really good girl. Let's untie and let's end this vlog. So we are finally home. Time right now is around 4. This was it. Goa to Pune. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching.